Welcome to Insisa District Agricultural Center of Excellence, where we are demonstrating on urea stover treatment. What are the main benefits of urea stover treatment? The benefits of urea stover treatment: most of the farmers here, smallholder farmers, they cannot afford to buy stock feed. So by urea stover treatment, they can have enough feed to feed their animals during dry periods. What is the correct time for urea stover treatment? We can start preserving our urea treated stover between May to June, but May is the most correct so that you can feed your animals before the onset of rains. The requirements for you to make urea stover treatment: first of all, you have to dig a pit measuring 3 meters by 2 meters by 2 meters. This pit can accommodate 1000 kgs of stover. We also need stover. It can be of maize stover or of cereal stover. Then you need 200 liters of water, a drum of 200 liters of water, 50 kgs urea. The steps of urea stover: first of all, chop your stover into smaller pieces between 5 centimeters to 10 centimeters. Then after that, you weigh your stover. 100 kgs of stover is you dilute 5 kgs of urea as to 20 liters of water. You mix your 5 kgs of urea as to 20 liters of water and stir thoroughly until your urea is dissolved. Then you put your plastic sheet, black plastic sheet, making sure that all the walls are covered. Cut your pieces into 3 pieces. The first layer you place it, making sure all the walls are covered. Then after that, you take your 100 kgs of stover and you spread it within your pit. After that, you take a watering can, or you can improvise using available resources. You sprinkle some water onto your stover. After that, you compact, making sure that no air is getting inside, because it should be airtight. No air should be allowed to get inside. So you use heavy material. It can be a drum of water which is heavy, or anything that is heavy. You use it to compact such that no air is going to get through. After that, you weigh another 100 kgs of stover and repeat the same process until your 1000 kgs of stover is finished. Then after that, you close your pit, starting with the side laps. You close as if you are closing an envelope. Then you take the last lap and overlap, tucking in. After that, you take the soil and cover your pit, making sure that there is no air which is going to get inside, because once the air gets inside, your feed will be spoiled such that it will be poisonous to your animals. After 35 days, 4 weeks to 5 weeks, your urea stover will be ready for feeding animals. You come and open your pit, then you remove the feed you want to feed your animals. But before feeding your animals, first make sure that the urea gases is removed from the stover. So you put it under shade for 48 hours, that is 2 days. Then you start feeding your animals. But you don't just start feeding in large quantities. Start feeding into smaller quantities such that your animals get used. Then when they are used, you can feed 5 kgs per animals per day. But make sure that your animal is not going to drink water after feeding on urea feed for 5 hours, because this may cause urea poisoning.